Hi, we're the Whitaker brothers, and today we are making meat lovers cornbread with 2 different types of meat, 2 different types of cheese. My mouth is watering, and I can't wait to get started. So come join me right here on Soul TV Fun Recipes. Let's go! And before we start making the cornbread, I like to preheat my oven at bake at 400 degrees and once it's preheated to about 20 to 25 minutes. When I make my cornmeal, I like to pre-prep my ingredients. So I went ahead and got myself a 1/3 cup of cooking oil. I got my little 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I got my 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I got my 1 egg ready for myself. I got a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of cornmeal, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I like to get this started. So now we're going to go ahead and add our cornmeal, baking powder, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and add the milk. Then my cooking oil and 1 egg, and of course a pinch of salt. Go ahead and get that mixed together. I'm going to go ahead and add some cheddar cheese in there. Jack. Make sure to save a little for the top of your cornbread. It's up to you how much you want to add in there. I like mine, it's really cheesy. Mix it together. So now we're going to add a little ground sausage. Now, like I said, you can make your own measurements. Mix a little bit here. Now I like to get my skillet and add. You can either use oil or butter. And I like to spread out a little bit of extra cornmeal on the outside to keep it from not sticking. So let's go ahead and add this. And start adding our cheese and toppings. Go ahead and we're going to put some cheese on top of that cornbread. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Say like that.
Yeah. We're gonna put some of that cheese and some Monterey Jack. But there's no limits in this cheese. Just try to get the whole toppings covered as much as you can. And since this is fun recipes, I hope you're having fun making this. So I am. I'm gonna do it like that. Try to make it cheesy as I can get it. That looks about right. That's the way I want mine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some ground sausage meat on top. And you can use whatever toppings you want to use. This is what I want to make my meat lovers. If you want to add black olives, go ahead. I ain't stopping you. We're going to do sausage and pepperonis for this one. And the less you try hard, the better it looks. That looks really nice, like this. We're going to go ahead and add some pepperonis. If you don't like using pepperonis, use Canadian bacon. We had to finish that with some pepperonis, sausage. So now let's put our meat lovers cornbread in the oven. So I'm going to set it about center. And I set the timer for 25 minutes. So now it's been 25 minutes and now we're going to check on our meat lovers cornbread. Look at that. Got all that meat, all that cheese, just the way we like it. And go put this up here. Be careful because it's very hot. probably gotta let it cool about 5 to 10 minutes before I cut this open. So now we let it cool for about 10 minutes. If you want it to cool longer, go right ahead. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this open. Looking good, looking good. Look at that. Look at that crust. That's what I'm talking about. This is a meat lover's cornbread. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to take a bite.
It sure looks delicious. Man, look at that.
Oh, you're a meat lover.
I can almost taste it before I put it in my mouth.
Yeah. If you're a meat lover, you're going to love this. Roll call. Cornbread crust, cheese.
That is delicious.
2 different types of meat.
Well, guys, thank you for watching as always. Alright, guys. You know how this goes. We will see you in the next video. Bye.